Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock. I open my eyes and stretch my arms. I open my eyes and stretch my arms. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I open the curtains to let in the sunlight. I open the curtains to let in the sunlight. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly. I take a warm shower every morning. I take a warm shower every morning. I put on my clean clothes. I put on my clean clothes. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I boil water for my tea. I boil water for my tea. I make 2 slices of toast. I make 2 slices of toast. I eat my breakfast at the kitchen table. I eat my breakfast at the kitchen table. I drink a glass of water every morning. I drink a glass of water every morning. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I pack my bag for the day. I pack my bag for the day. I put on my shoes near the door. I put on my shoes near the door. I check the weather before going outside. I check the weather before going outside. I say goodbye to my family. I say goodbye to my family. I lock the door when I leave home. I lock the door when I leave home. I walk to the bus stop near my house. I walk to the bus stop near my house. I wait for the bus with other people. I wait for the bus with other people. I am ready to start my day. I am ready to start my day.